Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the Mitsubishi Outlander service light using an easy method. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is fully turned off, with no lights on the dashboard. Next, find the info or menu button, typically located on your dashboard or sometimes on the steering wheel. This button is key to navigating your vehicle's display settings. Getting this initial step right ensures a smooth reset process. Now, with the ignition still off, press the info or menu button repeatedly. You'll see various information screens cycle through your dashboard display. Keep pressing until you spot the service reminder or a small wrench icon. This indicator signals that it is time for routine maintenance. Once you see it, you are ready for the next crucial step in the reset sequence. Once the service or wrench icon is visible, press and hold that same info or menu button. Hold it down for about 2 seconds. You will notice the service indicator on your display start to flash. This flashing is your vehicle's way of confirming that it is ready to accept the reset command. It is a clear visual cue that you are on the right track. After the service indicator begins to flash, release the button. Then, immediately press the info or menu button one more time with a quick tap. The display should then show clear, or the service light will simply vanish from your dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Mitsubishi Outlander's service light. You are now good to go for many more miles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.